it's very hard to come off. Like, obviously it's not going anywhere. What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be testing the J.Nixon collection and more. We're going to be doing the waterproof test on this glue. You guys, my wig is like all through with. First of all, I want to start off by saying, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? We need to go ahead and join the squad. Jump into the video because I know you guys just want to see if it's waterproof or not. I'm gonna put the number on the screen to where I go ahead and just put my head in the water and pull on it and see all of that. But if you want to hear about the glue and my thoughts, stay tuned right now. So you guys, I am doing the test on the J.Nixon collection and more lace glue. You guys, I did the video of this on my channel already, so I'll leave it up at the top. You can click the link right now if you want to watch me apply the lace. My lace looks busted. Don't worry about that because I know how to shake my stuff back, okay? First of all, the lace glue holds so well. Like, I do my friend's hair all the time, and my friend has like very oily skin. I'm convinced because any glue that I've ever used does not work on her, and this glue worked. Like, you really need the glue remover to get the glue off, because if not, you're probably gonna like rip your hair out or something like that, and you don't want that. You want to properly take your wigs off. So this glue is $10. You really cannot beat that for what it's worth. No smell. It holds extremely fast. It dries extremely fast. It's worth it. So let's go ahead and get in the water so I can go ahead and test to see if it's waterproof. Okay, so the way that my shower is set up, it has the sliding doors. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put my head under the water right now. So the steam is still like rolling around, so if my camera gets a little foggy, I'm sorry. But I went ahead and wet my hair, and this is what it's looking like. You guys, we still in action. Look at that. Y'all don't want to see this side. This side a mess, but we still in action. I'm definitely going like swimming with this when it get hot again, or even if you have like a indoor pool, you can go. Like, look at that. And the lace is like really drenched. It doesn't turn any type of colors. Now I do have the wig cap underneath, and I did like put some dark stuff right here only for the fact that it kind of went bald. Like, it's an old wig, so it's kind of balding, so I put some dark stuff, so that's why it's dark right here. It was dark before. Let me go ahead and try to swoop a baby hair. This side is really bald because this was my blue wig that I had dyed. I'm still in action. It's still super tight. I mean, you really can't beat that. This video, I really don't need to like talk or explain any more about this video, only for the simple fact that it does what it needs to do. So if you have not purchased it, you definitely should. It's only $10. I'm gonna say that on the screen again. It's only $10. This is like the best glue. Like, so you guys, if you want to see somebody like a celebrity or Erica J or somebody who else does hair, anybody who does hair that you know, go ahead and tag them in the video to try to see like who's going to go ahead and review it first. I really want a celebrity to review it. Like, I do YouTube, but y'all, I want somebody else to go ahead and test it out, give me their thoughts on it, so they can give you their thoughts on it as well. I don't want to kind of be biased because I think I'm really the only person testing this out right now. So yeah, look at that. Let me get close. Tag your favorite hairstylist to go ahead and test this glue out. Thumbs up to you, because girls need this in their life for their lace to be laid and slayed and waterproofing, all of that. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.